Hi everyone. Uh, well, this is the first talking video on the ESP32 SoftCard, and I want to add a disclaimer. I'm not a professional YouTuber. This is a one-time shot video. I'm not going to edit it, and just don't subscribe, don't like, whatever. I don't have a Patreon. So this is just about the ESP32 SoftCard. So the first thing I want to show here is what to do if you don't have a some sort of emulator, floppy emulator, or a ProDOS card, or a CFFA 3000 card. Just all you have is a one floppy disk controller and a disk to interface card. So I'm going to demonstrate how to create a boot disk from using the actual cassette in port of the Apple II. And this works on the Apple IIe as well as the Apple II Plus, or the original Apple II. So what I've done here is I've plugged in my iPad, like an old iPad I have, into the cassette port using just a regular 3.5 millimeter audio cable, and just going to turn on the machine right now. So now the drive is spinning, but I don't have a diskette in it. So I'm just going to hit control reset, and this will give me a prompt. So now I'm just going to type load and hit enter. Oh God. Load and hit enter. And now I'm going to play the actual sound from my iPad. And I'm going to close the actual floppy door. So notice what's happening on the screen. The actual audio is being, and now it will format the empty floppy. This takes approximately about a minute and a half at this point. When you do this, make sure the volume of your laptop or iPhone or smartphone, whatever, is at maximum, because that gives you the best quality of communication through the audio port, through the cassette in port. So once this is complete, we'll have a bootable floppy disk. In this particular case, it will be a ProDOS floppy disk, because this is an Apple IIe, and it already has 64K, at least 64K of memory. If this was an Apple II Plus without a language card, then I would do this for the DOS 3.3 disk. And then all you get is DOS 3.3, and then you can type brun. And it's completed. Now it says just press return to reboot. And now it's just booting from the floppy disk that we created. And as you can see, this has a bitsy pie, and it has the two files of the ESP32 SoftCard interface program that we're interested in. PAL or NTSC, this display actually supports both, so I'm just going to choose, let's go with PAL. And now the program will look for the card and switch the video. There you go. And now we can do whatever, like let's say Doom, monochrome or color, it's color. And yeah, escape, new game, whatever. There you go. Escape. To quit, we just go quit and Y. And now we're back to the ESP32 card prompt, and we can just type exit. And we're back to basic, and we can type buy to go back to Bitsy buy. That's it.